Let's look at other employment exempt income. Other income that is received by an employee but is not subject to tax. Yeah. So the first one is official employment income derived by a person in public service of the government of a foreign country. First, if the person is either a non-resident person or is a resident individual solely by reason of performing such services. So if someone is performing government work in a foreign country, if they come from Kenya to perform government work in Uganda, the income that they receive is not taxed. Yeah, the income is payable from public funds of that country. Another exempt income is any allowance payable outside Uganda to a person working on Ugandan foreign missions. If someone is a resident of here but they are sent abroad to work on some mission for Uganda, any allowance that is given to them is not taxed. Where the individual is a non-resident or a resident solely for the purpose of performing duties under the agreement. Yeah, if you come on agreement and you're here just to do that and go back, the income that you get from that is not subject to tax. Another exempt income is a pension. Yeah, if you pay pension, it is not taxed. Then another one is lump sum payment made by a resident retirement fund to a member of the fund or a dependent of a member of the fund. So any money that is paid by a resident retirement fund to an employee is not taxed. Another exempt income is official employment income of a person employed in the Uganda People's Defence Force, UPDF, then Uganda Police Force, External Security Organization, Internal Security Organization, or Uganda Prison Services, other than a person employed in a civil capacity. So those that are employed in sectors of security, UPDF, Uganda Police, External Security and Internal, for even those that are employed in the prison, the income that they receive is exempt from tax. Another exempt income is the employment income of a person employed as a member of parliament, except for salary. Yeah, their other income is exempt from tax, but for the salary, their salary is taxed. Another exempt income is emoluments payable to employees of the East African Development Bank with effect from 1st July 1997. So if you're an employee of the East African Development Bank, EADB, the money that you receive is not subject to tax by the government since 1997. And lastly is the foreign source employment income derived by a resident individual if the individual has paid foreign income tax in respect of the income. Like if you earn money from maybe USA, yeah, you're a Ugandan resident, and then you earn money from USA, and that money is already subject to income tax. They tax it from USA. When you get that money in Uganda, that money is not taxed again. It is exempt from tax.